Hello, today is Tuesday, February 23rd, and I'm going to assign you some No Red Ink topics connected to the art of argument. Now, first thing that you should do is read 10. You're going to see that on the to-do list for today. Read 10. It says No Red Ink argument topics. All 6 topics are due Monday, March 1st. So I have the No Red Ink link for you right here, which you can go ahead and click on. And I want to tell you that this assignment is going to make you think. So you will not be able to blow through it like capitalize the first letter of a sentence or capitalize proper nouns. You're going to slow down and think. So I want you to, if you're not in a good place mentally, go take a break, go get a drink, and set your mind to know that this is going to be a little bit trickier than some of the others, but it's really, really good practice. So when you open it up, parts of an argument practice, you're going to see there are 6 different categories. Recognizing a strong topic sentence, identifying claims, evidence, and reasons, is a thesis of fact or opinion, selecting a strong hook, and 2 jobs of a conclusion, and then planning a counter-argument. I wish I could control the order those go in, but I cannot. So I can't do that. So either way, the one that's really been causing people trouble is identifying the claims, evidence, and reasonings. So I want to show you an example here. So what it's going to do is have you highlight different parts of a paragraph. The claim, which is basically what is being argued, what is the statement that someone believes to be true. It sums up the argument that the writer is defending. It typically comes at the start of a paragraph. So it's unlikely that the yellow part that's supposed to be highlighted yellow is in the end or in the middle. For your paper, it's going to be at the beginning of the paper when you actually write one, and it'll probably be the last sentence of your introduction. When you identify evidence, it's a fact that supports the claim, supports that main argument. And it's going to be probably a statistic. It's going to have a number in it. It's going to be a study, an expert says something. It's going to look like it's come from research. To find the evidence, ask yourself what sentence or sentences gives facts to support the author's point. And then the reasoning, the strong reasoning connects the evidence to the claim. So if you just throw out a statistic, somebody might say, well, why is that important? And you actually have to use words to explain why that is important. To find the reasoning, ask yourself what sentence or sentences connects the evidence to the claim. So you have to make all those connections. You can't just assume your reader's going to figure it out or know what you're thinking. So here's an example. Yellow is the claim statement or that main argument. American high schools should offer classes on stress management in order to better prepare students for the workforce. Some people could disagree with that. A smart, reasonable person could disagree. That makes it a good, strong claim statement. Here is some evidence. According to CNBC, 80% of American workers report feeling stressed at work. And so that is evidence. That is a study. It's got numbers in it, experts. That's pink. Now this, blue, explains how is that statistic connected to that claim about saying that we should have stress management classes. By teaching students healthy habits for managing and relieving stress, high schools would help create a generation of workers that is more relaxed and confident. So that is connecting this pink evidence to the yellow. It's basically just putting to words how is that all connected. When you're actually doing your work in No Red Ink, there's only going to be one claim, but there might be 2 pieces of evidence. There might be 2 sentences that have reasoning. It's not necessarily you can't go with the first sentence yellow, second sentence pink, third one's blue. It's not always that pattern. You actually have to read it and think about it and think, what is the purpose of this sentence? I'm going to be available on Wednesday for help. If you need one-on-one help, I'm happy to do that. 2 help sessions, 9:30 to 11 and 1 to 2:30 using Hobbs Help. So good luck on these. I've just kind of highlighted the one that's the most challenging. You've got to slow down. You've got to look at the examples. You've got to read the explanations. And you got to come get help if you need it. All right, good luck. It's due on Monday. So Monday, which is March 1st. Good luck.